Hi, I'm Randy Vance. I recently had a chance to test the MJM 3Z. It's a beautiful day boat with a Carolina Down East style, and it's got some great performance characteristics with the dual 300 horsepower engines. I had a chance afterwards to go through the factory and find out exactly what goes into that boat that makes it such an outstanding performer and a fun entertainer. MJM's factory is designed for expansion to ultimately foster 8 assembly lines to accommodate their growing volume and model selection. The vacuum infusion process is used on the hull, stringer, sole, and deck system to ensure a consistently durable, lightweight vessel that will perform well on modest horsepower and in the roughest sea states. In fact, all major pieces are infused, including topsides, hatches, and bulkheads. MJM uses a proprietary formulation of epoxy which is 25% stronger than polyester resin. Vacuum is applied at 20 millibars, creating up to 2,000 pounds pressure per square foot throughout the molded surface. This ensures fabric, foam core, and epoxy are fully impregnated through the laminate layers and firmly bonded. The infusion of all major parts ensures a lower center of gravity, improving handling and performance of every MJM yacht. Since the top side is gel-coated, a light skin coat is applied to the gel-coated deck mold before vacuum infusion. The hull and all parts are stronger and 30% lighter than hand-laid molded boats. MJM's high-pressure lamination ensures full encapsulation of all fibers and foam. That prevents capillary infusion of water and future delamination. Many small parts, such as hatches and cabinets, are infused molded as well. Each infused part is post-cured at temp, a technique that enhances cured strength of the parts. MJM hulls are custom painted to give a durable, glossy, head-turning look to suit each owner. So, instead of gel coating the hull and adding unnecessary weight, MJM uses a high-build primer on the raw laminated exterior to achieve the final lustrous gleam without print-through or ripples. Skilled installers rig the MJM with pre-measured wiring harnesses and heavy-duty power and ground cables. Dash equipment cutouts are laid to accommodate custom dash setups expected by their customers. Digital switching and Garmin displays are MJM's preferred rigging setups. When each MJM rolls off the assembly line, it's gone through a rigorous quality check to ensure 100% compliance with manufacturing standards. MJM assures that their quality control procedures and superior engineering will make sure that your yacht returns a great investment on your boating fun. I'm Randy Vance.